Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know your tire or wheel is unbalanced or out of balance? If you're driving down the road and you're going more than 50 miles per hour and you notice that the steering wheel starts to shake and you notice vibration inside the cabin, I'm going to tell you guys how do you know it is your tire or wheel that is causing the issue. The first common problem is going to be caused by missing weight. So that weight is either held on by adhesive or it is clipped on. And this weight can actually fall off when you hit a pothole or you hit a curb or you hit a speed bump or maybe even you washed your wheel with a pressure washer and you accidentally knocked out that weight. So again, if that weight is missing, make sure that you bring your car to the tire shop and have it balanced. If you're trying to park and your wheel accidentally hit the curb, it is possible that you probably bent that wheel or rim. So if that wheel or rim is bent, it is going to cause the whole entire wheel to become imbalanced, and maybe you have to actually replace that wheel or rim. Next, maybe your tire is unbalanced caused by uneven tire wear. If that tire is worn out caused by maybe a worn out suspension, or maybe that tire is overinflated or underinflated, it can cause a lot of issue to that tire. So what you want to do is you want to inspect the tire and make sure the tire is worn out evenly on the left side and on the right side. And of course, you want to check at the thread area at the center part and make sure the tire is wearing out evenly all around. What if you have brand new tire and it's causing vibration? Is it possible that it is unbalanced? Yes, it is possible. For example, that tire that you bought, it might actually be defective because a lot of tire coming from the factory, most likely it is going to be all around and is not perfectly round. Also, that tire weight might not be evenly distributed all around. So again, if you bought brand new tire and it's causing vibration, most likely that tire might be defective. If the tire is unbalanced, can it affect gas mileage? And yes, it can. You can actually have poor fuel economy if the tire is unbalanced. So the tire should always rotate smoothly and it should be effortless. If it requires more effort just because the tire is unbalanced, it can definitely affect gas mileage. If the tire or wheel is unbalanced, can it cause noise? And yes, it can cause noise. For example, if the tire or wheel is unbalanced, it is going to cause increased vibration. And increased vibration can cause a lot of things in the cabin to start rattling. So you're going to hear a rattling noise more often in the cabin area. What should you check if you notice that your tire is unbalanced? And the first thing you should always check is make sure your tire is properly inflated. Next, make sure the weight is not missing on the wheel. Next, make sure there is no mud stuck on the inside of the wheel because this can actually cause the tire to become unbalanced. Next, make sure your tire is wearing out evenly all around. And lastly, make sure you don't have any suspension issue. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.